Quick disclaimer, this Vevor bird cage was given to me for my honest review. Here is a quick unboxing so that you know what to expect once you receive this package. Everything looks like it is individually bubble wrapped, which is great to know. In this box, a few more accessories like the bird feeder containers and the wheels for the rolling stand, as well as some hardware and a few tools. Here is a quick look at everything in the box. Now let's get to work putting this bad boy together. First step, grab these exterior panels and grab the correct screw. You're going to want the longer one and a nut for this part of the assembly. I would recommend doing it by hand at first, and then later on you can grab the tools to tighten. As you can see here, put the little wrench around the nut and then grab the Allen key to tighten. Very easy, no additional tools are necessary. Next, you're going to want to grab those plastic wheels and just push them in place like so. Very easy, not much force is necessary. Just make sure these little notches on the outside when installing the rolling stand. Next, grab the piece with the notches and lay it in. Bam, you are all done with that. Now, birdcage time. This portion, all you need is the shorter screws. Just align the holes and screw them in place by hand and then tighten with the Allen key. Do the same for the upper portion of the cage like so. Line up the holes and screw them in place by hand and then tighten again with the Allen key. And you're pretty much done with this part. Now you're ready to lay the cage on the rolling stand and align between the notches and pop in place. To secure the cage into the rolling stand, you're going to need to attach this bar inside of these notches like so. Just place it in there and drop it in. Next, grab the final panel, line it up in the slots and just slide in place with the little handle facing outward. Now you can add the plastic removable tray by sliding it underneath that final panel. Now that stand and cage are put together, add the bird resting perch. Just align the slots and drop in like so. Now you can add the bird feeders, open the doors, and drop in place. This is the final product, and I hope this video was helpful.